Atlantic Kitchen Renovation here with our client Gerard in Kennesaw from the Princeton Ridge subdivision, and he wanted to update his cabinets, and he'll tell you a little bit about his experience working with our team.
Hi, I'm Gerard Smith. I bought this house in 2018, and the house is decent, it's nice, but the cabinets were old. They worked okay, except a lot of my drawers, I would barely pull them out and they would just fall on the floor. A lot of the faces, these are called faces, Judith, right?
Yeah.
These faces were kind of coming off and bent, and basically it just needed repair. But it wasn't something that I was wanting to do because every time I called on Home Advisor, I tried to call cabinet refinishers or cabinet companies. They were not available for weeks at a time. Or if they were available, they came out to the house and gave me a quote of $28,000, $25,000, things that are in the 20s. So I didn't have money to be spending that kind of money on cabinets. I did things backwards. This was my first renovation, so I put down the countertops and I did the painting on the walls before I did the cabinets because they were cheaper to do. But then I put myself in a position where now I got to match my cabinets to the existing stuff that we had. So I needed help with color selection. I needed help with ideas. I had nowhere to really go as far as where to start. So I found Judith on Google. I called her. Her and her company came over, gave me a quote of $6,700 for, this is lacquer. This isn't just paint. I've had friends that have recently gotten their cabinets painted and they had higher prices than what I was quoted, and their paint is already chipping, it's wearing, it's showing signs of wear and stuff, like things like you wouldn't want after getting your cabinets done only a year or two before. So Judith kept telling me that they're going to be using lacquer, which is the best stuff to use when you're painting cabinets and redoing cabinets. And I really didn't know what to think because the price just seemed too low. But I did want to take a chance because Judith is very well spoken, very well versed, and everything, not just the cabinets, there was other things that she helped me out with as well. But today we're just talking about the cabinets, and she did a phenomenal job. It was done in the time that she said it was going to be done. The whole thing took what, maybe 10 days?
But, well,
Less than 2 weeks?
Yeah, we got all new doors and drawers made up. So these are all new doors and all new drawer fronts, and the cabinets look like new.
They do.
They look just like new cabinets. They do not look like stained cabinets that have been painted. And that's because they've been finished with lacquer, and you have the new doors and the new drawer fronts, and this was done for $6,700.
And that was, so when she told me that price, I figured that was labor. I come to find out it was, all of these doors were purchased, all of these faces of the cabinets were purchased, everything had been repaired, feels solid like new. I've got brand new handles and what, I guess just handles. But I wasn't expecting all this. All this is new as well. What this is called crown molding. So this on all the cabinets was kind of splitting in areas where they meet and things like that. So I've got, you know, what would look like the same $20,000, $25,000 they were trying to charge, except I've got it done in lacquer. I got it done quickly. I didn't have to wait to be on a schedule. So it was amazing. We had a great experience with the countertops, with the paint. People were showing up late. People were wanting to upcharge. People were wanting to change the deal. The countertop person even wanted to switch the countertop completely and say, hey, we are out of stock, we need to send you this. I mean, everything was an uphill battle except the cabinets. So that's why I'm here today, sharing this with you. I want Judith to get as much business as possible because of how well she treated me and my family, and I think we are now friends as well.
Thank you.